Hey, I'm Adrian the Canadian. This is the carry-on closet. It's a suitcase designed to help you stay organized when you're on the go. Step 1, the problem. We've all been there. You're traveling on the road, you open your suitcase up when you get to your hotel room, and everything goes everywhere. Nobody likes that. Nobody likes digging for their stuff. And then worst of all, when you check out, you have to repack everything. And if you're on one of those trips where you stay 2 nights per hotel, you keep changing, you have to keep repeating that process over and over and over again. I've been there. Most of 2017, I was on the road. I never stayed in the same bed for more than 6 nights in a row. This was just a natural solution to the problem that I was facing of not being able to stay organized. It's a carry-on suitcase that has a built-in shelving system that's self-supporting, so it stands on the handle of the suitcase itself. This allows you to stay organized super easily. The shelving system has 6 shelves, and you can pack them each to being about 70% full, then you can compress it into space. The top one is fully hard on all 4 sides. That's for your toiletries, your toothpaste, the things you don't want squeezing out all over your clothes. The center shelf is extra large. That's for large sweaters, scarves. They end up compressing quite a bit, but they just take up space when you unpack. We all need to charge our phones about 100 times a day. There's side pockets for cables and little small items. And I always keep the socks and undies down in the bottom. You can pack it with or without the shelving system. There's a large mesh pocket here that you can use for storing shoes or any other kind of items. And in the compression section, there's also the area you can use for storing cables or other small items in these other mesh pockets. One of the biggest requests we've had is, can you make a bigger version? Absolutely. Introducing the 20% bigger Carry-On Plus. It's got all the same features, just a little bit larger. All the lining material in this product is made from recycled plastic. We launched the original carry-on closet last winter, and we can't keep them in stock. We keep selling them out. And we just got featured in Time Magazine's top 50 best inventions of the year. I still can't stop smiling about that one. And now we're back. This is Suitcase 2.0, and we're offering it here on Indiegogo to you guys first, before we place our first order, so you guys can get exclusive access to the very first units. What makes this the 2.0? We've developed a better closure system. It opens in just a pinch. There's an easy access USB port for charging on the go, and you can use any power bank you'd like. The suitcase is made from a German-designed polycarbonate shell. The corners have metal reinforcements. The suitcase is held together by a jet black aluminum frame. The wheels are smooth, strong, and silent, and a soft touch grip that everyone loves. When you're traveling on the go, security is always a thing. It comes with a TSA-approved 3-digit lock. By backing this project today, you're among the first in the world to get your hands on the Carry-On Closet 2.0. You're also joining our community of more than 10,000 backers. Thank you for your support.
Luggage should be strong. Packing should be easy, and travel should be seamless. Our team of 5 designers worked around the clock for over 2 years, testing prototype after prototype. And finally, we got to a product we are proud of and know you will love. The Carry-On Classic was designed for 3 to 5 day trips and meets carry-on standards. To optimize the space inside, we took organization to the next level and added thoughtful features and accessories to allow you to customize your packing. One of our favorite features is the custom magnetic compression. With our ultra-strong fidlock buckle and mounted compression straps, you can pack more in less space. The folding panel allows you to decide what to compress and how. If you would like to maximize the additional space, we've designed compression packing cubes, which are sold separately that fit perfectly and allow you to pack even more. The shells are made of 100% Macrolon polycarbonate, the strongest material in its class, measured down to the 1/10 of a millimeter for maximum strength. Top-of-the-line silent run Hinomoto wheels that are built to last, low-profile Hinomoto handles that can take on heavy loads, external YKK zippers, and finally a 3-stage aluminum handle that can take a beating. As you can see, this luggage is top of the line, 100% built to last, and exceeds all industry standards. We have spent countless hours perfecting this luggage and are so excited to share it with you. All Nomatic products are backed by our Nomatic lifetime warranty. We are Nomatic. We make the most functional products ever to inspire confidence for life on the move. We can't wait to see where the Nomatic